हे राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी। जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी वल्लभा। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरा बनचारी। यमुना तीरा बनचारी। राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी। जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद। श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। जय श्री कृष्ण प्रभु नित्यानंद। श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण गाइए। हरे राम Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. जय कृष्ण बलराम, जय कृष्ण बलराम, जय कृष्ण बलराम, जय जय राधा श्याम, जय गौर निताय, जय गौर निताय, गौर निताय, जय गौर निताय। प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद, जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतश श्रीमद् भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की, प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिर गोवर्धन की जय। गंगा माई यमुना माई की जय। भक्ति देवी तुलसी महारानी की जय। भुवन मंगल श्री हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे। All glories to assembled devotees, all glories to assembled devotees, all glories to assembled devotees, all glories to Sri Guru, Sri Gauranga, Sri Prabhupada Maharaj ki। Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya। Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya। Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya। Narayanam Namaskritya नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोकैर् भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिके। हरे कृष्णा। श्रीमद्भागवतम 10th canto, chapter 41, text 18 to 23, 5 verses। 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 verses। श्री शुक उवाच एवमुक्तो भगवता सुक्रूरो विमना इव पुरीं प्रविष्टः कंसाय कर्मावेद्य गृहं यजौ. Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, thus addressed by the Lord, Akrura entered the city with a heavy heart. He informed King Kamsa of the success of his mission and then went home. 19. Athaparanhe Bhagavan Krishna Sankarshananvitaha Mathuram Pravishat Gopehir Dadrikshu Parivaritaha. Lord Krishna desired to see Mathura, so toward evening he took Lord Balaram and the cowherd boys with him and entered the city. Then text 20 to 23. Dadarsatam Sphatikatunga Gopura Dwaram Brahata Hema Kapata Toranam Tamrar Koshtham Parikha Durasadam Udyana Ramyo Pavano Pashobhitam Sauvarna Shringataka Harmya Niskutehi Shuni Sabhabhir Bhavanir Upaskritam Vaidurya Vajra Malanila Bidrumahir Mukta Harit Ballabhi Subedisu Mukta Harit Bharvallabhi Subedisu Joste Sujala Mukharandhra Kutyameshu Avishta Batabarhinaditam Sansiktaratya Panamarga Chatvaram Prakirna Malyankurla Jatandulam. Apurna Kumbhir Dadhi Chandanukshitehir Prasuna Deepa Balibhi Sapallavhi Savrindarambha Kramuke Saketubhi Swalankrita Dwara Graham Sapatikehi. What word meaning padhe? Dadarsha, he saw, tam, that city, Mathura, Sphatika, crystal, Tunga, high, Gopura, main gates, Dwaram, household gates, Brahat, immense, Hema, gold, Kapata, doors, Toranam, ornamental arches, Tamra, copper, Ara, brass, Koshtham, storehouses, Parikha, canals, Durasadam, inviolable, Udyana, public gardens, Ramya, attractive, Upavana, parks, Upshobhitam, beautified, Sauvarna, gold, golden, Shringataka, crossways, Harmya, mansions, Niskutehi, pleasure gardens, श्रेणी गिल्ड्स सभाभि assembly halls भवनेहि with houses upaskritam ornamented Vaidurya gems Vajra diamonds Amala crystal quartz Neela sapphires Vidrumahi coral Mukta pearls Haridbhi emeralds Ballavishu on the wood panels decorating the rafters in front of the houses. Bedishu columned balconies. Justeshu bedecked Jalamukha windows. Randhra openings. Kuttimesu gem-studded floors. Avishta sitting Paravata with the pet doves. Barahi peacocks Naditam resounding Sansikta sprinkled with water. Rathya with royal avenues. Please repeat after me. आप थक गए क्या? आपण commercial streets, मार्ग roads, चत्वारम courtyards, प्रकीर्ण scattered, माल्या flower garlands, अंकुरा new sprouts, लाजा parched grains. समझ में आया? खील खील लाजा खाई. Actually parched grains हमको समझ में नहीं आएगा ना. Everybody will not understand. खील. तंडुलम rice. आपूर्ण फूल कुंभई with pots दधी with yogurt chandana sandalwood paste ukshatahi smeared prasuna flower petals deepavali bhi rows of lamps sapallavi leaves savranda with bunches of flowers rambha with the trunks of banana trees kramukehi the trunks of betelnut trees saketubhi with flags salankritah sualankritah nicely decorated dwara with doors graham houses sapatakehi with ribbons. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki. Translation. The Lord saw Mathura with its tall gates and household entrances made of crystal, its immense archways and main doors of gold, its granaries and other storehouses of copper and brass, and its impregnable moats, beautifying the city were pleasant gardens and parks. The main Intersections were fashioned of gold, and there were mansions with private pleasure gardens, along with guild halls and many other buildings. Mathura resounded with the calls of peacocks and turtle doves, pet turtle doves, who sat in the small openings of the lattice windows and on the gem-studded floors, and also on the columned balconies and on the ornate rafters in front of the houses. These balconies and rafters were adorned with Baiduria stones, diamonds, crystal, quartz, sapphires, coral, pearls, and emeralds. All the royal avenues and commercial streets were sprinkled with water, as were the side roads and courtyards, and flower garlands, newly grown sprouts, parched grains, and rice had been scattered about everywhere. Gracing the house doorways were elaborately decorated pots filled with water, which were bedecked with mango leaves, smeared with yogurt and sandalwood paste, and enriched by flower petals and ribbons. Near the pots were flags, rows of lamps, bunches of flowers, and the trunks of banana and betel nut trees. Purport. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur gives the description of the elaborately decorated pots. On either side of each doorway, above the scattered rice, is a pot. Encircling each pot are flower petals, on its neck are ribbons, and in its mouth are leaves of mango and other trees. Leaves of mango and other trees. Above each pot, on a gold plate, are rows of lamps. A trunk of banana tree stands on either side of each pot, and betel nut tree trunk stands in front and also behind. Flags lean against the pots. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the glories of Mathura city. So, Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desadarine. Hare Krishna. First of all, I like to welcome all the devotees who are attending this Srimad Bhagavatam class in our most auspicious land, Vrindavan, and Prabhupada established this Krishna Balaram temple. In this courtyard, we are very fortunate. Every day we have opportunity to listen the very powerful words of Srimad Bhagavatam. So many classes have been taken about this Akrur's arrival to Braja. It is not necessary to repeat again. In this chapter, you know very well that Akrura, the messenger of Kansa, who was a demon and the son of Ugrasen. Really, he was not the son of Ugrasen, he was the son of a Drumil demon. This mystery is known by Narad Muni. Once he explained all the mysteries of his birth to Kansa, then he was angry. Really, Ugrasen was not the father of Kansa. His father was Drumil. So, as father, as son, जैसा बाप वैसा बेटा. Akrur, Uddhav, so many devotees, they were serving outwardly Kansa. Last class I have also explained, though they were apparently serving Kansa, but their whole heart was staying on Krishna. They have their little desire, yes, time will come, we will see Krishna in our material eyes, then our life will be successful. So that time has come. Kansa sent his messenger Akrur, Akrur, you are Pati, you are the intelligent fellow, you go to Braja, you can bring Krishna and Balaram, they are my enemies. Nanda and Yashoda, all the Brajavasis will come and I will kill them and I will become the king without any enemy. Then Akrur said, okay, my dear king, you can have your manoratha, you have your desire, it may be fulfilled, it may not be, but I am your servant, I must fulfill your desire. Then Akrur came to Braj Vrindavan, then he brought Krishna Balaram in a very new chariot, then he came to Jamuna and he took bath, and in Jamuna water he saw the opulence of the Krishna. So he was bewildered. What is happening? I came to take bath. I came to do my noon rites. So what I am seeing in this water? So many miracle things, so many things, astonishing things. So when Akrur came out from the water, Jamuna river, then Krishna Balaram with a smiling face asked, Chachaji, Kakaji, what have you seen? Your face, your face, we are imagining. You have seen something miracle, something astonishing things in this water. So Akrur replied, oh my dear Lord, anything in this sky, anything in this water, anything in this material, in this land, miracle, that is also reside within you. So you are the most miracle person. So what more I can see in the water? In this way talking, and Krishna Balaram and Akrur came to Mathura, near Mathura. So before Mathura, you know, there is Akrur Ghat. In this way, when we go to Bhatrod temple, have you seen Bhatrod temple? How many of us seen Bhatrod temple? Bhatrod Bihari. Oh, most of all have not seen. Here, very nice place. One a small hill. On the top of the hill, the Krishna, the small vigraha of Krishna is there, where the Brahmana Patnis, the wives of Brahmana, gave foodstuffs to Krishna Balaram. Very nice place, Bhatrod. And after crossing Bhatrod, you will go to Akrur Ghat. And if you go there and there, Mathura city will come. I think in between Akrur Ghat and Mathura city, there may be some garden. So Nanda Maharaj and all the gopis came first. You know, Akrur with Krishna Balaram, he was in the transcendental platform. He was returning late. He also reached late. He also returning with a late mood. And Nanda Maharaj and all the gopas, they came first. They came first and they stopped there. Okay, when Krishna Balaram, Akrur will come, then we will enter into the Mathura city. So they wait there. So after some time, Krishna Balaram and Akrur, they came, and there they stopped in a garden, before Mathura. So Krishna Balaram said, Chachaji, now you can go to your home and you can give message to Kansa. We had come here. So here the 18th verse begins, Sukho Vacha, Eva Muktu Bhagavata Sokrura Bhimana Iva. Krishna said, Chachaji, you go and you give message to Kansa that we have come here. But I will not go with you. I am not able to accompany with you. Akrur requested, Prabhu, you come with me, take little rest, have some cold drinks. something. So then you can visit. But Krishna said, no, 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 no. First of all, I will finish my duties. It means first of all, I have to kill Kansa. First of all, I have to kill Kansa. Then I will come to your home. I have to come so many homes. I will come, I will come. So Krishna in this way pacified Akrur. But Akrur was not satisfied. You know, we cannot know. Just I am asking, you know, that is also wrong. Because he knows, who knows? Are you getting me? If you taste sahad, meaning honey, you know the little, you know the right taste. You know sugar candy is sweet, honey is sweet, chini, sugar also sweet, good also sweet, potato also sweet. But the sweet taste is different from one thing to another. So anybody, any fortunate soul who has got the opportunity to talk with Krishna, to see Krishna, having a relationship, a behavior with Krishna, so he knows the real taste. How can we know? We are simple hearing. We can never. The realized soul, he can know the separation. So we even can't imagine. You can feel, okay, Krishna said, okay, go chacha. So what is the difficult? But this is the difficult. This is the parameter of the separation. What pain one realizes after separation from his beloved Krishna. You know, the topmost separation is realized by the gopis. And what is their realization? What is their realization? Yuga itam nimishena. Can we imagine? No. No. When our eyelid cover our eyes, and after one fraction of time, isn't it? We are putting our eyelids, then opening, closing, opening. But Gopi said, dear Brahma, this is like yuga. It means 12 years. Can one imagine? No. This is the separation. So when devotee meets his beloved Lord, so he can feel so much pleasure. But when the time comes to be separated, then he feels so much pain. He can't explain. So the same circumstances here. When Lord said, Chachaji, you go to Mathura and you meet Kansa, your Swami, your master. Then Akrur returned, Bhimana Eva. He was not pleased. He was very sorry. Like, oh, Krishna is there and I am going alone. Oh, I have lost everything. Bhimana Eva. Purim Pravishta Kansaya. Then he entered into Puri. Puri means Mathura Puri. Kansaya Karma Avedya. Then he explained everything. Yes, my dear Lord, oh my master, I have brought Krishna Balaram with me. They are waiting outside, outskirts of Mathura, and they will meet you. Then he went his home. Athaparanhe. So afternoon, the late afternoon, Bhagavan Krishna Sankarsana Anvita with his brother Sankarshan. You see, the name of Krishna is also Akarshan. The meaning of Krishna is also Akarshan. The brother's name also Sankarshan. Isn't it? Akarshan and Sankarshan. Krishna also attracts. But who attracts the mind of Krishna is called Sankarshan. Some upasarga is there, prefix. Then Akarshan. Akarsayati Krishna Manasi iti Sankarshan. Because the devotees attracts the mind of Lord. The Lord attracts the mind of the devotees. The devotees also attracts the mind of the Lord. So whose force is more? Whose force? Yes. That's why the Balaram's name is Sankarshan. This is the meaning. Krishna attracts everybody, but Radharani attracts Krishna. So Radharani is more powerful. So Krishna attracts everybody, whole universe, but Sankarshan, the Balaram attracts Krishna. That's why his name is Sankarshan. Sankarshan. Sankarshan Anvita, Bhagavan Krishna, then his brother Sankarshan, mane Dau Bhaiya. Mathuram Pravishat Gopehi, and all the Gopehi, all the cowherd boys. All the cowherd boys. Can you give one name of cowherd boys? Huh? Sudama. Yes, very nice. Sudama. Another? Huh? Madhu Mangal. Yes. Another? Stoka Krishna. Yes, Stoka Krishna. Another? Subal. Yes. Another? Bhadra. Another? Kumuda. Another? Kumudaksha. You can find all the names in the Srimad Bhagavatam, I think chapter 22, the last part. You can say all the Bhagavan Krishna, He Toka Krishna, He Bhadra, He Kumudaksha. You see all the Vrindavan trees, their life are successful. Why? They are living for the others. You know Venudhar Prabhu, any another name? Venudhar. No, Krishna is himself Venudhar. It doesn't mean that Krishna was playing Venu. No, all the cowherd boys. They know. And Krishna's guru is Sridham. Yes, Krishna learned how to play flute from Sridham. Oh, this is the Leela. Krishna knows all the Swaraj. When Krishna played the flute, Brahma and Shankar, they were astonished. Oh, Krishna is playing flute. Which raga? This is not Karnataki. This is not Banarasi Gharana. This is not Mathura Gharana. Which raga you are playing? Because Shankar is the master of raga. He knows, he is the Nataraj. You know, the Bhakta's name and Bhagavan name is very, very alike. The name of Krishna is Natavar. This is Natavar, and the Shiva is Nataraj. Natavar. Akarshan, Sankarshan. So, Gopeir Didrakshu Parivarita. The devotees of Krishna, all the cowherd boys, Krishna is entering into Mathura city. You see, Krishna's name is Mathuranath. And his city, his first time entering into Mathura in this Bhauma Leela. Definitely, Sukadev Goswami has to explain about Mathura, isn't it? If Sukadev Goswami will not explain, then kasak rahegi. He will not feel pleasure. Oh, no. The city, the Mathura. In one line, in the summary, Prabhupada explained the splendorous city of Mathura, the splendorous city. He entered into the Mathura, which is a splendorous city. Very, very rich, very opulent city. So you have all listened in 4 slokas, the total structure of Mathura has given. I think it is not necessary to repeat. If we repeat, then class will be over. Dadarsa tam sphatika tunga gopuram. Sphatika tunga gopuram. Gopur means in South Bharat, you can see Gopuram. Gopur means very tall gate. In Mathura, I think in practical nowadays, only one gate is there. Can you say? D gate. Who said? Only one gate is there now. But at that time, many gates, Gopuram. In South Bharat, you can see many Gopuram. In Kanyakumari, Gopuram. Meenakshi temple, Gopuram. Rangaji temple, Gopuram. Everywhere Gopuram, isn't it? So this is not the south pattern, this is the north pattern. But now it is finished. Now Idli dosa came from south here. Idli dosa is northern dish. These are all southern dishes. But Idli dosa came here, Gopuram. Not Gopuram here. But Gopuram is our northern pattern. You see, Mathura, even 5,000 years before, Gopuram is there. I think so many people in this northern part, they do not know what is Gopuram. If they do not visit to south part, the Gopuram name is not possible. So Gopuram, Sphatik, how they made up? Sphatik. Sphatik means crystal. Have you seen Sphatik? You know, see, he doesn't see Sphatik, but the Gopuram, the Mathura, the big gates were made up Sphatik. Our all Sankirtan devotees know Sphatik. We had business 5 years with Sphatik. In Sankirtan department, I was a leader. So we are purchasing Sphatik mala from the holy gate, Bisram Ghat. You know, Rajvidya? If you do not see Sphatik, you can go, you can approach our gift stall. Where? That's you can ask him Sphatik mala. They will show you. So we attract the people in the evening time. I was sitting inside the bus and Nitai Prabhu gone away. He was in my stall. If anybody approached our stall to purchase Sphatik mala, we have the same Sphatik. One Sphatik mala is 100 rupees, another Sphatik mala is 500 rupees. So Nitai Prabhu said, okay, you want right Sphatik, original, genuine Sphatik, go inside the bus. So we test Sphatik mala, in the evening time, we spark it. If the stone sparks, yes, this is original, yes, 500 rupees. Same Sphatik. So, Sphatik, if you have pen of Mont Blanc pen, you have seen Mont Blanc pen? Mont Blanc pen, I have one pen. One person gifted me in Bhagavad Katha in Delhi 15 years back. Mont Blanc pen. On the top of the Mont Blanc, one small pieces of crystal is there. Sphatik. Dwaram brahat hem kapata thoranam. And in that gate, very big doors, just like our doors. This is big door. And this door is made of, I think, sal tree. Sal, maybe sagwan sal, teakwood. But this door, I think made up also, that time also door must be made by sagwan or sal. But that was covered by the golden, pure 24 karat golden plates. It is mentioned, Haima Kapata Turanam. All the golden gates. Sphatik, big Sphatik gates, golden doors. Tamra Kostham, Tama means copper, Ara means brass. We are very unfortunate. Why? Because in our history, Dharmatma Prabhu, you can see, of the 10th standard, we have studied, 3,000 years before, there was no civilization, and our ancestors were using the stone pots made of stone, isn't it? Only 3,000 years. They are such foolish person. You see, at least BJP government came and he changed the history. Such rascal history we have gone through. Yes, you have studied, I have also, same, Nakku. Without nose. You see, this is our real history. In 5,000 years before, Sukadeva Goswami narrated Tamrara Kostham, not a small pieces of tama, copper, small pieces of brass, No. Big pots, big vessels. If you want to see, you can travel Rajasthan, Jaipur. You can see big kadha, big pots, brass pots, big brass pots. You can for taking water, keeping so many things, keeping sabji, keeping curry, keeping dal. Yes. 5,000 years before, Sukdev Goswami mentioned, Tamra or gold is there, sapphire is there, emerald is there, Baidurja is there, Neelam is there, Tama is there, brass is there, everything is there. But in our school, colleges, we are studying the history. Oh, we are such rascals, we do not know nothing, and we were using the pots made of stone. This is the degradation of the Sanatan Dharma. Even you ask, go to public, they do not know the 4 steps, the 4 legs of the Dharma. How can? That's why this big religion, this big Dharma, now it is, क्या कहेंगे, संकुचित हो गया? It is confined in small places. That is also now it is attacked by so many other sects. Sanatan Dharma is the target. But no, my dear devotees, my dear friends, this is the duty of us. We have to say, we have to protect. Dharma rakshati rakshitaha. Krishna's duty to give the religious principle to. But we devotees, we forgot. The general public forgot. So Tamra or Kastha, big vessels, they have to keep the grains. This is called granaries. Wheat, paddy, and sarso, mustard seeds, and moong dal, arhar dal, chana dal. We have to keep. Yes. At that time they have to keep with the brass pots, with the copper pots. Such a heavily Bharat was rich. That's why when the modern civilization, when the modern students read, oh, they say, this is, we have not seen sphatic, we have not seen diamond, this is all mythology. My dear friends, only Sanatani Hindus, unfortunate Hindus, they say this is the mythology. No other religion, Muslims, they never call Quran as mythology. The Christian, they never say the Bible as mythology. Only we are the unfortunate, we say mythology. Please, my dear, please preach. No person should say mythology. No person. Every day we are listening, oh, Mahabharata is a mythology. My dear, Mahabharata is not the mythology. There are 2 epics, 2 history. One is a Ramayana, another is Mahabharata. These 2 things are the great Bharatiya Itihas. History. History means, history has the 3 things. Itihasa. Itihasa. Iti means in this way. Ha means definitely. As means hua tha. It has been done. You see, this is the Sanskrit Vitpatti. What is Vitpatti in English? Vitpatti. Derivation? No derivation. Itihas. You know itihas, the word itihas? If you break the word itihas, the 3 words will come. Iti, ha, as. Iti means in this way. Ha means definitely. As means it has happened. It is not fictitious story. It is not imagination. Happened. 2 history, Ramayana and Mahabharata. But the most ancient is Ramayana. So in this way, we have to go through our history, real history, Bhagavatam, Puran, Tamrar Kostham Parikha, the big canals surrounded Mathura city, and very nice gardens. Udyan, Upavan means the park areas which have flower trees, and Udyan means fruit bearing trees. The garden which is fruit bearing, that is called Udyan. That garden which bears flower trees, that is called Upavan. This is the difference between Udyan and Upavan. Flower garden and the fruit garden. Fruit garden is Udyan, flower garden is called Upavan, means park. Sauvarna Sringataka Harmya Niskuti, very big buildings. And Niskut, Hari Niskut Vrindavi Pines, Niskut means this is Niskut. You know, this is Sadhu Prabhu, this is Niskut, Angan. Very nice Angan Prabhupada has made for us. Angan. My devotees will dance and sing. Hari Niskut Angan. Sringatak means Chauraha, crossways. That is also designed in gold. How much gold was there in Bharat? We can't imagine. इसको ऐसे ही हिंदी में कहेंगे, गली कुचों में सोना पड़ा हुआ था. भारत की गली कुचों में सोना पड़ा हुआ था, पर दुर्भाग्य आज है डॉलर आज 80 रुपया. सोना नहीं है. There is no gold in Bharat. But in ancient Bharat, the Bharat was the storehouse of gold. If there is small amount of gold, can you imagine they will put gold in Chora? If you have no gold, how you put gold in Chora? How you make designing the murtis, the idols in gold? No. Gali kucho mein sona. Big bhavans, big buildings. Baidurjya, Vajra, Baidurya, diamond, blue sapphire, Bidruma, Mukta. Oh, so many things are there. Very nice balconies. And one thing you have remembered here, people were decorating their houses, balconies with wooden panels. So now the aristocracy, we can see with wooden panels. If the home is made of wooden panels, oh, that is an aristocrat person. Now we are making our office wooden. Our conference hall is also wooden. Wooden is the sign of aristocracy, isn't it? But 5,000 years before, they have their balcony decorated by wooden panels. You have to go to colleges, to schools. My dear students, what are you going through? Your history, civics, political science, useless topics. See this, good wooden panels. And the panels are decorated by so many jewels. Diamonds, sapphires, Baidurjya, Mukta, etc. And all the houses, all the homes, they have their small places, some places to see the doves and bari means peacocks. And the sound of the peacock is very nice. The sound of the peacock is very nice. The doves are very nice. डोब कैसे करता है? कबूतर गुटरू नहीं करता. कबूतर, peacock, peacock, the sound of peacock, that is very difficult. करो peacock sound, that is called in Sanskrit the ragaman. That yes, करो peacock. अरे peacock dance होता है, करो. Yes. Peacock, the sound of peacock is called pancham. Pancham means the high raga is called pancham. It is very difficult to sing in the pancham raga. So the sound of the peacock is very attractive. That is called Pancham. Aja aja badati Gandharam. You know bakra? Goat. What is the sound of goat? That is called Gandhar. That is not the best sound, but more peacock. At the top of the rag, he sings. You know, in our Hare Krishna Mahamantra also, the devotees were singing the Pancham Raga, the C circle, the C sharp, hearing very nice. But A sharp, D people, it looks not good. C sharp is nice. Pancham Tan, Sare Gama Padha Nisa, Sare Gama Padha Nisa, Sa Re Ga Ma Padha Ni Sa, Pa mein Pancham. So in this way, and when Krishna Balaram is coming, Sansikta Rathya Panamarga Chatvara Prakirna Malyankura Laj Tandulam. So people have thrown Laja means kheel and Chandan sandalwood paste. And that time the Damar road was not there. One thing. Damar road means this Pichu road. What is called in English? Damar road. The concrete road. Actually, Prabhu, concrete road is very dangerous. Now, in every accident, there is brain hemorrhage. Why? Because your vehicle is made of iron, and this road is also made of iron. So, if you fell down, immediately death. But at that time, the GT road, Sher Shah Suri ne jo banaya GT road from Lahore to Bengal, Dhaka, the GT road, NH2, that was also not Pakka road, that was Kacha road, earthen road, but they were Samtal, even Nasta. But at that time, when some VIP person want to come, so before VIP person to come, they have to put the water, sprinkle water, sandalwood puffs, and something, khel, laja, pushpa, in this way, so that the road is very nice. So in this way, Krishna is coming. सारे नोट हमारे बेकार हो गए. ओहो, after this, I have to, this is the description of the Mathura, very shortly. My note says, how Mathura come to exist? What is the meaning of Mathura? And who established the city of Mathura? Vaikuntha Janito Bari Mambara Madhupuri. Mathura Bhagavan Jatra Nitya Sannihito Hari. So Mathura was established by the Satrughna, the brother of Rama. So in this city Mathura, just I am telling my notes. This Mathura, how it comes into existence, who established, Savan Mahina is coming, Savan Mas is coming. To establish this Mathura city, Satrughna took 12 years. It is not very easily. First he killed Lavanasur, then he stayed here. He took 12 years to establish this Mathura city. It is mentioned in Ramayana Uttarakhand. Here in this Mathura land, all the three Purushottamas did their pastimes. Rama, Krishna and Sri Chaitanya. Lavanasur was killed by Satrughna, Rama. Satrughna is also called Rama, Purushottam, Maryada Purushottam. So Maryada Purushottam, Sri Ram, brother, Sri Satrughna ji, ruled over here in Mathura 12 years. He established this city very nicely. Then he gave charge to his ministers, to his Senapati, soldiers. Then he go to meet Rama. If time would permit, then I will explain, otherwise not. Very nice in the Ramayana, it is mentioned. Actually for me the time is very short. Oh, Satrughna, he killed Lavanasur. Then Krishna came. Krishna also passed 17 years here, isn't it? But that time Mathura was in very tragedy. When Shatrugna time, Mathura was very happy. But in Krishna's time, Mathura was in tragedy. Why? Because in 17 years, Jarasandha came 18 times with 23 Akshauhini Senas. It means Mathura city was fighting every year. Can you imagine? Have you read this part? 17 years Krishna says stay in Mathura, and 18 times Jarasandha attacked Mathura. You see, 23 Akshauhini Sena. How many times they have to live? Tragic scene. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here, Teen Purushottam, Maryada Purushottam, Leela Purushottam, and Prem Purushottam, all the three Purushottamas doing Leela here. But we are unfortunate, we have no Leela time here. Time is finished. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna has a tragic time, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu enjoyed Mathura. When he first came here in Vishram Ghat, he paid obeisances to Mathura. In Mathura, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela, chapter 17, you can elaborately. Oh, very nice chapter. And the Mathura Leela is very nice. And here, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established the religious principle very nicely. What to say? Can you give class tomorrow, me? I can explain. Actually, this is very nice. How Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made that Brahman, how that Brahman invited Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and that Brahman belongs to the Sanodia community. The Agarwals, the Baniyas are three cottages: Agarwal, Kalwad, Sanwad. Those Brahman who had taken the charge to the priest of Kalwad and Sanwad, they are called Sanodia Brahman. And the sannyasis are not allowed to take bhiksha from the Kalwad or the Sanwad Brahmans, Sanodia Brahmans. But what to do? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he was chant and dance. And that Brahman was chant and dance with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thought, from where you have got this ecstatic love of Krishna? That Brahman explained, my dear, Madhavendra Puri came and he accepted me as Sishya. Not only accepted, he took bhiksha from my home. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he was in great pleasure. You are my guru. Why you are paying me obeisances? I am like your Sishya. Because Madhavendra Puri Sishya Ishwara Puri, and Ishwara Puri Sishya Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But directly Madhavendra Puri initiated that Brahman. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, my dear Brahmin, Krishna prema taha jaha tahar sambandha ताहा बिना ये प्रेमार कहाँ नाही गंध कृष्ण प्रेम ताहा जहाँ ताहा संबंध ताहा बिना ये प्रेमार कहाँ नाही गंध. Oh Brahman, I was imagining, even the saint of this ecstatic love is not possible if you have not relationship with Madhavendra Puri. And you know, devotees, this Madhavendra Puri, at his last time, he was also remembering Mathuranath. This Mathuranath. Ai Deen Dayard Nath, हे मथुरानाथ कदा बलोक्य से हृदयं तदलोक कातर भ्राम्यति किम करोम्यहम. What can I do? Oh Mathuranath, where are you? Without seeing you, my heart is bewildering. And Mahaprabhu said, this is the Prema Bijam. What did he say? This sloka is the Prema Bijam. And saying this word, He Dina Dayard, I, saying this one, and Madhavendra Puri quoted his body. Ai Dina Dayard Nath He Mathura Nath. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Bhiksha there and he established the religious principles. How the normal public, they don't know what is the mystery of this religion. The Sant established, the pure-hearted Sant Mahatma. So these are all the things. Time passed. If you have time, you can read Chaitanya Charitamrita chapter 17. If you have time, read how Mathura is established by Satrughna, Ramayana, Uttarakhand, chapter 70. And if you have time, you read Padma Puran, Uttarakhand, Tasya Pare Parvyumaha, Tripada Bhuta Sambhutam. Mathura, Gokul and Dwarka, these are three cities of Sri Krishna's internal potency cities. That's why Krishna is called Traidhishwar. Traidhishwar means Krishna is the owner, master of the three cities, Mathura, Dwarka and Gokul. That's why Krishna is called Traidhishwar. These are all internal processes. If you want to read, you have to go to Padma Puran. If you have to learn how Mathura is established, Ramayana, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Leela, Chaitanya Charitamrita, and how Krishna is entering into Mathura in Srimad Bhagavatam. इसीलिए, but that's why Mahaprabhu, Bhagavan Sri Krishna were playing Rasa dance Brahma Ratri Upagata. He ordered Brahma, my dear Brahma, you do not know my Rasa dance, how much time will take. So Brahma asked, how much time? 24 hours? No, your whole day. Brahma says, yes, your whole day. Means so many manvantaras. Yes, 1000 manvantaras. Yes, expand this night. So, hey Brahma, please expand my day also. So, in this way, we have to release this Srimad Bhagavatam. This is the very releasable Grantha, Srimad Bhagavatam, Puran Tilakam, Jadvaishnavanam Dhanam. Our only dhan, our only riches, our only things is to release Srimad Bhagavatam. So you are all fortunate, I am only unfortunate. Because I do not complete, even I do not touch my note. So I am unfortunate, you are all fortunate souls, you are releasing, please excuse me and try to release these the very releasable topics of Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna, Dhanyavad. So if any question, one moment. No question? Finish? Yes, Venudhar. You see, bhojan is there. Mahaprasad is ample, free prasad. Kami nahi padegi. You go take prasadam, we are sitting here. Yes.
When Krishna left, Akrura left.
Yeah.
Krishna left with Akrura. That time, he was staying in Nandagaon. So what was the route that Krishna was taking, that from Nandagaon he can go to, there is another route to Mathura. So was he taking, what route he was taking?
Chhatikara road.
Chhatikara, and then he came like this?
Yes, you are right.
Is it not a very long route? Is there no other route for Mathura? I thought that there is another route for
It is mentioned when Krishna was coming, some Janapad were there. And little small villages, and all the villagers, they were taking darshan of Krishna Balaram. So I think when Krishna is coming to so much villages, and Krishna Balaram said, "Ah, आप नंद के छोरे हो?" तो वो भोजन देते थे, माला पहनाते थे. Actually, Brajvasis, they are so fortunate. You know, because everybody has listened that Krishna Balaram, the Nanda ko chora, oh, they're very beautiful, very nice, and they have killed all the demons. So how they looks like? So when they coming through the villages, so all the villages they giving their so many gifts, upahar, gifts. So that's why normally it is late. Isn't it? It's late. So this way, they from Nandagaon they have to come and they have to go to Bhatrod, Akrur Ghat, and small gardens before Mathura. Nanda Maharaj will stop there and they will go there. And why Krishna Balaram and Sankarshan went alone? Because उनको पता है अरे बूढ़ों के साथ जाएंगे घूमने में मज़ा नहीं आएगा, अकेले जाएंगे, आइसक्रीम खाएंगे. इसीलिए उन लोगों ने छोड़ दिया. बोले पापा बाबा यहीं रहो, अब हम जाते हैं. सही बात है, बच्चे जाएंगे तो बच्चों के साथ, बूढ़ों के साथ जाके क्या करेंगे. तो बाबा आप यहीं रहो, हम चलते हैं. तो वो चले. राइट, वेरी रिलेशेबल. यू आर फॉर्चुनेट, you are taking pleasure in Srimad Bhagavatam. All so many devotees. You are also fortunate. Yes, you are noting. Very nice, very nice. Hare Krishna. Excuse me. I have very. Listen. As Akrur was returning to his home, Bhimana with a very. And क्या कहेंगे? Sad heart. I am also returning with a sad heart because not come. Actually, you see, in my life it happened. Bhimana, Akrur went Bhimana. I also went, I am going Bhimana. Hare Krishna.